Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Marley with Family First Chiropractic, and a healthy mom equals a healthy baby, thus a healthy delivery. So I'm here to explain how at Family First Chiropractic we take care of fabulously gravid, pregnant, expecting mothers. So it starts with first the assessment. So neurologically, a miracle happened and two cells came together, and in 9 months she knits together 70 trillion cells and a perfect little baby. And when her body's healthy, she'll deliver a beautiful, healthy, natural baby. So here's how we do it. First of all, neurologically, we know that nerves control everything. It's what's sending the messages to the baby's body to build the cells, build the communication, and knit this wonderful miracle together in the womb. So we check mother's nerve supply with inflammation, by checking inflammation. Now we use thermography. If we've taken care of, and that's what we love at Family First, we love taking care of couples before they even get married, before they even get pregnant. And when they're healthy, miracles happen. In this case, inflammation is checked with thermography. So we use a Titron, which is an infrared thermography, non-invasive, not radiation, not an x-ray, to be able to scan to check for hot spots. Because we know that her body is changing quickly, Amy. I know it's changing. And with this change in her body, it can send different signals and send different messages and create different hotspots and different subluxation patterns. We check it with this. So we know with her nervous system scan that she's eliciting, because of her center of gravity changing and starting to show, so to speak, that this area is the most inflammation. We will also check it with the delta T, which is another thermography device to check where, again, the most inflammation, thus nerve irritation, is located. So now that we determined that an adjustment needs to be delivered at our L5 vertebrae, based on our objective findings of inflammation, range of motion, static palpation, we're going to go ahead and deliver an adjustment. So we want to show you, if you're an expecting mother watching this video, you want to know, what does an adjustment look like? What does it feel like for a mother that's body's changing both on the top and the bottom? So I'm going to demonstrate what an adjustment looks like. Go ahead and stand, Amy, and then go ahead. So this is called a knee chest table. So in the 𝒕𝒉𝒆𝒓 system, this is a very versatile table to utilize for many different patients, but especially the ones that are fabulously expecting. So on this table, you'll notice her tummy is able to hang down, free, out of gravity, no pressure up against it. And also on the front side, this is tapered, so the girls, right? The front side, as it's changing, that there's no pressure on them. So it should be a pretty comfortable position. But let me ask Amy. Amy, is it comfortable?
This is great.
Okay. So we're going to deliver an adjustment at L5. So we're going to be lifting this vertebrae, L5, forward and up, right through the disc plane line, to help her in her transition of her center of gravity changing and neurologically to the uterus and to a growing baby. I want that uterus to have perfect tone, so there's no intrauterine constraint, which can hold up the natural birth process. So a delivery of an adjustment looks like this. A gentle squeeze here, and then there's pressure right there. That's how we take care of fabulously pregnant, expecting mothers at Family First Chiropractic.